I'm Santosh Kumar Mishra. I'm teaching science. I'm from Siddharth Sishu Sadan. Good morning to all of those students who are watching these virtual classes. And I have started force of gravitation. It is being continued. So I'm going to proceed it forward. Now, I have discussed acceleration due to gravity on the surface of moon. Acceleration due to gravity of the moon is 1.67 meter per second square. What does it mean? Now, acceleration due to gravity, acceleration due to gravity of Jupiter is 25 meter per second square. What does it mean? Now, every hauling body towards the Jupiter increases its velocity by 25 meter per second in each second. Now I am going to represent it diagrammatically. So here you can see here, this is 0 second. Initial velocity is x1 meter per second on the surface of Jupiter. Now 1 second, this velocity will increase by 25 meter per second. Now 2 seconds later, its velocity becomes x plus 25 meter per second. Now then will be 3 seconds. x1 plus 25 meter per second. Now you have understood after 4 seconds its velocity will increase by 25 meter per second, and after 5 seconds its velocity will also increase by 25 meter per second. Now the question arises, haul with parachute on the surface of Jupiter is highly risky. Why? Because the parachutist jumps with very high velocity and hits the ground with greater force. So he or she receives greater reaction force, and there is more chance of injury. It is a free fall. It is a free fall. Jump with parachute on the surface of moon, on the surface of Jupiter is free fall. Now you can understand in examination the question can be asked. Question can be asked. Question can be asked. Now you have to understood these things. What are these things? Now it will be asked in examination and it is for the SE examination. You have to understand this thing. Fall with parachute. Fall with parachute. 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 On the earth. On the earth. On the earth. And fall with parachute. Fall with parachute. Parachute on the moon. On the moon. On the moon. Now you can understand fall with parachute on the earth. It is balanced fall. Balanced fall. Balanced fall. Now it is free fall. It is free fall. Free fall. Now second one, it is safe. It is safe. It is unsafe. Unsafe. It is unsafe. And the third one, air upthrust. Air upthrust acts on the parachutist. On the parachutist. Air upthrust act on the parachutist. No such air upthrust. No such air upthrust. Air upthrust. Air upthrust exist. Now you can understand fall with parachute on the earth and fall with parachute on the moon. Now I am going to omit. Can you tell me what will be the difference? Fall with parachute on the earth and fall with the parachute on the surface of Jupiter. On the surface of Jupiter, the region will be the same. All the points will be the same. Fall with parachute on the Jupiter and fall with parachute on the earth. It is balanced fall, it is free fall. It is safe, it is unsafe. And air upthrust acts on the parachutist. No such air upthrust exists. You have understood fall with parachute on the surface of Jupiter is highly risky. Fall with parachute on the surface of moon is highly risky and unsafe. Now you have understood these things. Now listen to me. The another question I am going to discuss with you the relation between acceleration due to gravity of the Earth and the Jupiter. relation relationship between acceleration due to gravity of the Jupiter and acceleration due to gravity of the Earth. Gj is acceleration due to gravity of Jupiter and Ge is acceleration due to gravity of Earth. Now you have understood, you can understood mj, mass of Jupiter, mj equal to 319 times the mass of Earth, and radius of Jupiter, that is 11 times the radius of Earth. So Gj equal to G mj, mass of Jupiter by radius of Jupiter को स्क्वायर. अब तपाईं हेर्न सक्नुहुन्छ मास अफ जुपिटर जुन छ त्यो अर्थ को मास को 319 गुना छ. me by 11 रेडियस अफ अर्थ. यसको स्क्वायर गरौँ. यसको स्क्वायर गर्दाखेरि 319 GME by 121 RE को स्क्वायर. अब यसलाई सल्भ गर्दाखेरि तपाई पाउनुहुन्छ 2.5 into GE, किनभने GE equal to GME by RE को स्क्वायर. अब GJ बराबर GE को रिलेसन भइहाल्यो. अब तपाई यसलाई फेरि सल्भ गर्दाखेरि 2.5 into 10 equal to 25 meter per second square. किनभने acceleration due to gravity of the earth is equal to 10 meter per second square. Have you understood the relationship between acceleration due to gravity of the Jupiter and acceleration due to gravity of the earth? You have understood these things. Have understood? Now, my dear students, I am going to proceed it. First of all, you have to understand. Listen to me. The question is reasoning question is, it is based on the logical concept. The value of G varies with place to place on the earth. on the earth. Now let us see. This is equatorial radius of the earth, and this is polar radius of the earth. This is polar radius and this is equatorial radius. Our earth is not a perfect sphere. Our earth is not a perfect sphere. It is flattened at the poles. It is flattened at the poles and bulged out at the equator. So what will happen if we draw the radius of earth at these places? You will find the velocity of the radius of the earth increases from polar region to equatorial region, and equatorial radius of earth is greater than polar radius. Earth has different radii at different places. Earth has different radii on different places. What you are observing from the diagram? तपाईले यो पिक्चरबाट के बुझ्नुभयो? यो पिक्चरबाट तपाई यो बुझ्नुभयो कि अर्थको रेडियस पोलर रिजनबाट इक्वेटोरियल रिजनमा जाँदाखेरि बढ्दै जान्छ. अर्थको रेडियस कन्स्टेन्ट छैन. अर्थ हैज डिफरेंट रेडिई एट डिफरेंट प्लेसेस. यसको मतलब तपाई हेर्नुस् यहाँ G equal to your gravity acceleration due to gravity at the pole, G m by rp को स्क्वायर. अब किलोमिटर में पोलर रेडियस लाई लिँदाखेरि 6356.8 किलोमिटर. यसलाई राउन्डिङ अफ गर्दाखेरि 6357 किलोमिटर. अब यसलाई फर्मुलामा राखौ. फर्मुलामा राख्दाखेरि GP acceleration due to gravity at the pole gm by 6357 किलोमिटर को स्क्वायर. अब इक्वेटोरियल रेडियस को पूरा करो. GE acceleration due to gravity at the equator gm by RE को स्क्वायर. RE को स्क्वायर. अब RE कति छ? RE छ तपाईको किलोमिटर मा 6371 किलोमिटर. 1 किलोमिटर. यसलाई यसमा पुट गर्दाखेरि 6 gm by 6371 किलोमिटर को स्क्वायर. अब यसलाई कम्पेयर गर्नुस् र यसलाई कम्पेयर गर्नुस्. G पनि कन्स्टेन्ट छ, m पनि कन्स्टेन्ट छ, G पनि कन्स्टेन्ट छ, m पनि कन्स्टेन्ट छ. अब कुन डिनोमिनेटर ठुलो छ? पोल को केसमा डिनोमिनेटर सानो छ र इक्वेटर को केसमा डिनोमिनेटर ठुलो छ. यसबाट प्रश्न हुन्छ, तपाईले सायद पढ्नु भएको होला, अगाडि मैले पढाएको होला, G inversely proportional square of the radius of the earth. Square of the radius of the earth. अब तपाई आफै भन्नुस् मलाई एक्सिलरेसन ड्यू टु ग्रेभिटी पोलमा बढी हुन्छ कि इक्वेटरमा बढी हुन्छ? अब भन्नुस्। र यो कुरा सायद बुझ्नु भएको होला। अर्थ हैज डिफरेंट रेडियाई on different places. जसरी जसरी पोलर रिजनबाट इक्वेटोरियल रिजनमा जान्छ अर्थको रेडियस बढ्दै जान्छ। अब यसबाट प्रमाणित हुन्छ कि एक्सिलरेसन ड्यू टु ग्रेभिटी एट द पोल इज ग्रेटर देन एक्सिलरेसन ड्यू टु ग्रेभिटी अन द इक्वेटर। अब भन्नुस् तपाईं सही हो कि होइन? अब यसै प्रसंगमा अब अर्को क्वेशन यहाँ म एड गर्दैछु। क्वेशन के एड गर्दैछु? weight of a body varies from place to place on the earth. वेट को भ्यालु कुनै ऑब्जेक्ट को वेट को भ्यालु अर्थ को सरफेस मा ठाउँ अनुसार फरक हुन्छ। किनकि तपाईलाई पढाएको छु मैले फ्याक्टर्स। यहाँ हेर्नुस् ध्यान दिएर, factors on which weight of a body depend। शायद पहिलो कुरामा मैले लेखाएको होला W proportionality mass of the planet। W directly proportional to the mass of the planet। त्यसपछि दोस्रो W inversely proportional square of the radius of the planet। र तेस्रो कुरा म पढाएको होला W directly proportional mass of the body। अब यो तीनवटा कुरा पढाइसकेको छु मैले। तपाईले सानै क्लासदेखि पढ्दै आइराख्नु भएको छ W equal to mg और W directly proportional to g। अब भन्नुस् त g को भ्यालु W को डाइरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल छ। मतलब वेट त्यहाँ बढी हुन्छ जहाँ g को भ्यालु बढी हुन्छ। Weight of a body is directly proportional to the acceleration due to gravity of that place. This is the reason. So the value of g varies with place to place on the earth. So the weight of a body also varies from place to place on the earth. Have you understood? I hope you have understood. तपाईले बुझ्नु भएको होला। अब म यसलाई रब गर्दैछु। अब अर्को रिजनिङ क्वेशनहरु त्यसलाई एक्सप्लेन गर्ने कोसिस गरिरहेको छु। मलाई लाग्छ तपाईले राम्ररी बुझ्नु भएको होला। अब क्वेशन के छ तपाई ध्यान दिएर हेर्नुस्। क्वेशन के छ र क्वेशनको तात्पर्य के छ त्यो राम्ररी बुझ्नु होला। अब क्वेशन आयो हेर्नुस्। यो चाहिँ हाम्रो अर्थ हो। अर्थ छ यो हाम्रो अर्थ हो र यो इक्वेटोरियल रेडियस हो, यो पोलर रेडियस हो। अब यहाँ यो तराई रिजन हो र यहाँ माउन्टेनस रिजन छ। अब माउन्टेनस रिजन यहाँको रेडियस हेर्नुस् र यहाँको रेडियस हेर्नुस्, यहाँको रेडियस हेर्नुस् कुन ठुलो छ। अब रेडियस 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 of earth, radius of earth in tarai, तराई यसलाई म आरटी बाट इन्डिकेट गरे, आरटी बाट इन्डिकेट गरे, which is RT, and radius of earth, radius of earth in the mountain यो चाहिँ ठुलो होला, यो चाहिँ ठुलो होला RM। अब यहाँ हेर्नुस् ध्यान दिएर, यहाँ ध्यान दिएर हेर्नुस्, RM is greater than RT। Radius of earth in the mountain region is greater than radius of earth in the tarai region। तपाई पढ्नु भएको छ, तपाई के पढ्नु भएको छ भने G proportionality 1 by R square। G is inversely proportional to the radius of the planet। अब यहाँ हेर्नुस् माउन्टेन रिजनमा जीएम को भ्यालु जुन छ 1 by आरएम को स्क्वायर र तराई रिजनमा एक्सप्रेसन ड्यू टु ग्रेभिटी इन्भर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल टु द रेडियस अफ अर्थ इन द तराई रिजन। अब हेर्नुस् आरएम इज ग्रेटर देन आरडी। अब भन्नुस् कहाँ एक्सेलरेशन ड्यू टु ग्रेभिटी को भ्यालु बढी होला, कहाँ एक्सेलरेशन ड्यू टु ग्रेभिटी को भ्यालु बढी होला। सायद तपाई हेरिराख्नु भएको छ एक्स डिनोमिनेटर कुन केसमा ठुलो छ, आरएम इज ग्रेटर देन आरटी, radius of earth in the mountain region, radius of earth in the tarai region। यसबाट प्रमाणित हुन्छ GT is greater than GM। Acceleration due to gravity is greater in tarai, more in tarai than the mountainous region। अब तपाई यो पनि पढ्नु भएको छ W equal to W directly proportional to G। अब भन्नुस् वेट तराई रिजनमा बढी हुन्छ कि माउन्टेनस रिजनमा बढी हुन्छ। वेट माउन्टेनस रिजनमा कम हुन्छ, तराई रिजनमा बढी हुन्छ, किनभने वेट इज डाइरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टु एक्सेलरेशन ड्यू टु ग्रेभिटी and acceleration due to gravity in the tarai is greater। अब यसबाट प्रमाणित भयो यो क्वेशनको पनि कि weight of a body is more in tarai than that of mountain। अब म अर्को क्वेशन लिएर आउँदै छु, अर्को क्वेशन डिस्कस गर्दै छु। तपाईहरु नआतिनु होला मेरो साथीभाइ विद्यार्थी साथीहरु। ल हेर्नुस् अब अर्को क्वेशनको पालो। यो चाहिँ पोलर रिजन हो र यो इक्वेटोरियल रिजन हो। अर्थ माथि माउन्टेन छ, यहाँ यसको बटम छ, यहाँ यसको बटम छ, बटम को रेडियस र यहाँ यसको पिक को रेडियस पिक को रेडियस यो आरपी रेडियस एट द पिक रेडियस एट द पिक रेडियस एट द बटम अब मलाई तपाई भन्नुस् यो माउन्टेन छ त क्वेशन के छ भने भ्यालु अफ जी value of g is more at the base of at the bottom of mountain value of g is more at the bottom of mountain then at the peak अब यो डायग्रामबाट तपाई बुझ्नु भएको होला यता ध्यान दिएर सुन्नुस् ध्यान के दिनुस् भने आरपी रेडियस एट द पीक is greater than radius at the bottom radius at the peak of the mountain is greater than the radius at the bottom of the mountain तपाई यो पनि पढ्नु भएको छ g inversely proportional 1 by square of the radius of the earth अब पिक को केसमा हेर्नुस् gp proportionality 1 by rp radius of the earth on the peak of mountain radial acceleration due to gravity at the bottom of mountain by inversely proportional square of the radius of the earth at the base of the mountain अब तपाई अगाडि नै बुझिहाल्नु भएको छ radius of the earth at the peak of mountain is greater than the radius of the earth at the bottom of the mountain अब डिनोमिनेटर कुन केसमा ठूलो छ यो ठूलो छ यो सानो छ अब भन्नुस् कहाँ g को भ्यालु बढी होला gb acceleration due to gravity at the bottom of the mountain is greater than acceleration due to gravity at the peak of the mountain अब सायद यो क्वेशन को पनि सल्भ भयो अब weight अर्को क्वेशन weight of a body is more at the bottom of mountain then at the base of the mountain weight of a body is more at the bottom of the mountain than at the peak of the mountain. अब यसको लागि यहाँ दुईटा लजिकल कन्सेप्ट लाग्न सक्छ यहाँ हेर्नुस् weight is inversely proportional square of the radius and w is directly proportional to acceleration due to gravity. अब यो कुरा यहाँ प्रश्न भइहालेको छ acceleration due to gravity is more at the bottom of the mountain than at the peak of the mountain. यसको आधारमा पनि तपाई एक्सप्लेन गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ र यसको आधारमा पनि तपाई एक्सप्लेन गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ अब तपाई आफै भन्नुस् मलाई कि वेट कहाँ बढी हुन्छ weight of a body is more at the bottom of the mountain than at the peak of the mountain किनभने W proportionality 1 by R radius of the earth at the bottom of mountain को square र W weight 1 by RP. Radius of the earth at the peak of the mountain. Peak of the mountain. अब यो दुवै डिनोमिनेटरमा कुन ठुलो छ र कुन सानो छ यहाँ तपाई हेरिराख्नु भएको छ. Radius of earth at the peak of the mountain is greater than the radius of earth at the bottom of the mountain. तपाईलाई क्लियर हुन्छ यसबाट कि weight at the base bottom of the mountain is greater than weight at the peak of the mountain. At the peak of the mountain. Peak of the mountain. तपाई यसको आधारमा पनि गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ. यसको आधारमा गर्दाखेरि weight at the base directly proportional acceleration due to gravity. At the bottom of the mountain, weight at the peak directly proportional acceleration due to gravity at the peak. So GB, acceleration due to gravity at the bottom of the mountain is greater than acceleration due to gravity at the peak of the mountain. Now you have understood this question also. Now you have understood this question also. Now I am going to omit it. Now I will discuss another question. Okay.